Just add alcohol to the toilet paper. This is the real secret that the rich don't tell you and don't want you to find out. It was an experienced housekeeper who revealed this incredible secret. And today I'm here to share it with you. To get started, all you need is a plastic container. 1 roll of toilet paper. It has to be a container that fits the toilet roll inside and has a lid. I never imagined that such a simple and easy tip could help so much in my house. Now you're going to get another container and then we'll need alcohol. I'm using 46%, but you can use whatever you prefer. We'll just add 100 milliliters. I'm also going to add baking soda. Just add a tablespoon of baking soda. After adding it, we'll also need vinegar. But it has to be alcohol vinegar, right? Just white vinegar. It can't be any other kind of vinegar. And here we'll add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. When you add the vinegar, there will be a reaction, but this is normal. This is due to the baking soda. It will start to foam a little, but that's normal. And now let's finish with half a capful of fabric softener. You can also use your favorite. Let's add half a capful of fabric softener here. Just mix everything together very well until all the ingredients are combined. Take the toilet paper, pick up the mixture and pour it over it. Let's spread it out well so that the paper is very wet and the tip works perfectly. The paper will absorb all the mixture after that. Now you just need to take the lid and close it. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes so that the paper absorbs all the ingredients well. And look, after the time has passed, it will look like this. What we've just done is an excellent tip for cleaning your bathroom. You'll use it to clean and fragrance your bathroom. To use it, simply remove it, take a piece, and rub it over parts of your bathroom. You can rub it on the sink, the toilet, and anywhere else in the bathroom. See how well it cleans, removes all the dirt, and you can rub it especially on the inside of the toilet bowl. This powerful mixture, as well as leaving the toilet clean and scented, will help keep out bacteria that you can't see. It's a very simple tip, but one that will keep your home smelling clean. And you won't have to worry about flushing the toilet every time. After this tip, I bet that every time your guests come to your house, they'll congratulate you and ask how you managed to keep such a clean and fragrant bathroom. I hope you enjoyed it. Best regards.